Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Ugreen 30-watt charger and the Ugreen USB-C to lightning charging cable. Now first, taking a look at the Ugreen charger, this is a 30 watts charger. It has a USB-C port and a USB-A port. The USB-C port gives you 18 watts and the USB-A port gives you 12 watts, and it gives you a total of 30 watts combined. And next up we have the Ugreen USB-C to lightning cable. This is a MFI certified cable. Here are the details of the box for whoever is interested. And now the best thing about this, in my opinion, is the price, because you can get both of these on Amazon for 31 USD, whereas if you get the official Apple Lightning to USB-C cable and the 18 watts Apple charger, it will cost you 48 USD, or if you get with the 30 watts Apple charger, it's going to cost you $68. So now let's unbox these. I'm going to start with the charger. So I'm going to open it right now. So in the box we get the charger and we get some pamphlets. Now do take note that the one I have right here is for the UK plug, but it is also available for the US plug. Now you also get a thank you note, and you also get an instructions booklet included in the box. So now here is a quick overview of the charger. And now let's do the unboxing of the USB-C to lightning cable. And there's nothing else included in the box. So now here's a quick overview of the cable. We have the lightning connector on one end with the Ugreen logo, and we have the USB-C connector on the other end with the Ugreen logo also. Now in the description of the product listing, they mentioned that you will be able to get 50% in 30 minutes. So I'm going to test it out. Alright, so what I have here is my iPhone XS, and currently it's at 1%. So I'm going to charge it for 30 minutes and see what the percentage will be. My phone is now plugged in, and I'm going to start the stopwatch. See you in 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes, and let's check the battery percentage. And as you can see, it is 56%. So it definitely does work as stated. Almost 1 hour and 55 minutes has passed and my phone is finally at 100%. Now I know some of you guys might say that 1 hour and 55 minutes is too long, but the problem is the last 10% took forever, especially the last 1% from 99% to 100%. That took more than 15 minutes. So if you're fine on just charging your phone up to 80 or 90%, this charger is really good. Now, in conclusion, is it worth it and should you buy it? And my answer is yes, I think it is worth it and you should buy it. It is so much cheaper than the Apple's official charger and cable, but you still get the same outcome. If you are looking for a USB-C charger and a USB-C to lightning cable to fast charge your iPhone, then I will recommend you the Ugreen 30-watt charger and the Ugreen USB-C to lightning cable because of its price. But if you have a lot of money to spend, then just go for the Apple charger and Apple cable. Thank you for watching my video. If you did enjoy it, please like and do consider subscribing for future content. Until the next one, peace guys.